Stephanie. Who likes kimchi? Me! So today we brought kimchi powder!
Yay!
It's very convenient if you're a kimchi lover. Bring in your pocket and try on every food.
If you love spiciness, you can put this kimchi powder on any kind of your favorite food. So we tried different foods and then we picked top 5 menus that you can enjoy with this kimchi powder.
Yeah, sounds very yummy, right? So I hope you enjoy watching this video today. So let's begin! It smells spicy.
And did you know it's 0 calorie?
Oh my god. Today we prepare french fries and corn dog, also burger and chicken.
Yay!
Also this is cheese ball.
It's good, huh?
It looks like just pepper powder, but it really tastes like kimchi at the end. It's a little sour and
Yeah, it's very savory.
yeah. Oh, it's better than Cajun fries.
Yeah.
They're so good. So this is kimchi chicken.
Kimchi chicken. Wow.
맛있다.
I want more.
Kimchi cheese ball. So today we bought just regular chicken burger so we can put kimchi powder. So this is kimchi chicken burger.
The more you put the powder, it becomes so much better.
Yum. It's like food bender. I always say like more, more please.
It reminds me of elote. It should be good.
Korean corn dog is really good. So this is kimchi corn dog.
And here we have egg and cheese toast with kimchi seasoning. Add mayo on the edges of the bread, just like making a mayo wall. And then crack 1 egg in the middle. And put some cheese on the corner. And lastly, put the kimchi seasoning. Put it in the oven or air fryer and then toast for 10 minutes. And here we go, our egg toast is done. It's my favorite part. It's an easy brunch idea. If you love spicy, you should try making it tomorrow morning. Every bite was so crispy. Mmm. I made popcorn.
So this is kimchi popcorn?
But we need to powder it first. I think we have to put a lot of seasoning.
More.
I really wanted to try that Flamin' Hot Cheetos popcorn.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but I think this would be better.
I remember one day I went to the farmer's market and they were selling the elote and also this kind of popcorn. It was a kettle corn and also the elote popcorn. So I'm expecting it will taste like that.
Actually, I tried this powder with some chips before. Then I knew that it's gonna be. I knew that it's gonna go so well with popcorn, and I was right.
Oh, it's spicy. Be careful when you eat. It's like you know when you eat tiramisu.
No, the powder goes just right into your throat. It's so addictive.
Yeah, it's very good. I think this powder is really good when you go camping. Cause you cannot bring
every kind of seasoning, right?
You just need to bring this and powder everything. Cause especially for the person who likes spicy, just like me, it's like every day.
It's a very good seasoning.
So it's very healthy snack. Cause just eating plain popcorn and also this powder, it's literally nothing.
It's like eating air.
Yeah, and they're saying if it's tasty, it's 0 calories. So
right.
Very good. Very good.
And next, we're going to make chicken rice. Add oil and garlic in the pan. And put veggies and chicken breasts. Any veggies are fine in the fridge. We use green onion, and carrot. And for a little bit of sweetness, we added some corn. When the chicken is half cooked, put a spoonful of soy sauce. And kimchi powder. If you like spicy, add more and more. This recipe is very easy to season. Just soy sauce and kimchi powder, and taste is very, very good. And let's finish with some sesame seed. And put it over the rice. This is a great diet recipe. 잘 먹겠습니다. So, I'll call it kimchi Mongolian chicken rice.
Yeah, it smells so good. Also, it's healthy.
Yeah.
Today we cooked brown rice, so it's very healthy dish. Of course, I'll put some extra kimchi seasoning because it's very good. I like one dish meal because it's easy to clean the dish.
And yeah, less dishwash. Is it good?
Wow, this is very savory. Very good. Next time I want to put shrimp instead of chicken.
Yeah.
Also, if you're vegan, I recommend to put some tofu. That's fun.
It's so easy to season. So it's our dessert time. So for the last recipe, we're gonna make hot chocolate, like Mexican version, but instead
We'll
of
call it
Korean hot chocolate. We're gonna put this kimchi powder instead of cayenne pepper. So let's make hot chocolate first. I like eating chocolate with a lot of spice. Like cinnamon, and some people put nutmeg. But especially I love Mexican hot chocolate because it warms up. Wow. Yay! So, cheers! Finally, time for some dessert. Yay! Cheers!
The sweetness and the little bit of spiciness go well, very well.
I thought it's gonna be weird, but it's so good.
Wow, it's so good.
This is a chocolate mochi that we bought from Korean convenience store. So I'm going to add a little bit of cream on top and then enjoy it. Ooh, looks good, huh?
So good.
It's a lovely evening. From snacks and desserts and for main dish and everything, it goes so well, right?
Yeah, with the kimchi powder, it's Korean style. So I'll end this video with
Korean heart, K heart. This is a big version.
small version, cute heart.
Hey Stephanie, did you hear that kimchi is so good for immune system?
Yeah, it has a lot of probiotics.
So especially for this kind of time when COVID-19 is so serious, right? You need a perfect immune system.
So yeah, it's very like easy and convenient to hold everywhere. So try to add on every dish you have.
Yeah.
Also, if you're a spicy lover, it's a great seasoning.
So it's very easy to carry because it's so light and it's very compact. You can just put it in your purse.
Yeah, and how classy. I feel like.
Yeah, and you know, Korean culture is the new trend these days. So be trendy with this kimchi powder.
Just like the sriracha keyring that I used to have back in high school.
Yeah. So kimchi is the new sriracha, I'll say.
So today I hope you enjoy watching our video. And we'll come back with other reviews. So we'll end with this Korean heart.
Okay.
Love you guys.
Bye.